What is it, guys? Today we are in another video and I am in a public lobby, so I'm on the background. Make sure y'all like and sub. We will be using shurikens only. Look at the boy. But, so, let's get into the video! Shuriken only katana. My loadout. This is my loadout.
Why are you doing
Right
homework
here.
when you can play anime
But,
rifle?
yeah, I still don't know how to edit. Make sure y'all comment your user. Send me your friend request on Meta. Why did I just freaking join a private? Skip to this part if you want. Why am I talking so fast, bro? I'm about to stutter my whole words. For real, bro. Shiny head, dude. I just need to get close to people. I'll start spraying them.
What should I get?
Just get close and start
Tell me,
spraying.
someone tell me.
Where'd you get that like money from making videos on this game?
How does someone tell me
Stop.
a game?
Oh no! We need the tiniest map in the whole wide world.
Tell me a game I should get.
This is
Vertex.
Actually, no, we need a
Animal Kingdom.
huge. No, who leave it, Okay, fine. Let's get huge. I don't know why I'm picking huge. I just want to, because you can sneak up. 50-50.
No, if I get huge arena, I'm
50-50.
If we get
tiny
huge arena, we're down 4.
Yes! Ah, I'm gonna sneak up. I'm gonna start spamming.
Match starting.
Make them green. If y'all see a call, which I don't think you will, or hear a call,
Round
just
starting.
ignore it. Turn your phone all the way down. But make sure y'all like and sub. Oh, I just did that.
Teammate got them both low. But not that low, but I got them both kind of low.
Oh my gosh. That though, I should have picked it very, very tiny. That way.
Round starting.
And I forgot to mention, we're gonna be using 2 guns and katana only. So if you don't understand, I want them to see, because as I said, I'm trying to sneak up. Yeah, it is so.
One over here, one over here, one over here.
That's a good spray.
He's running. Attack. No,
Oh! I'm gone.
Teammate, the pug is new. I got the pug for 141. No.
Let's go. So, it's like a shotgun type. It's this thing. Wait, you can put both? Go.
Round starting.
Yeah, I'm bad at both of these. Oh, I almost actually hit that.
Another one over here. I got 120 on him. I got 120. 200.
Oh my gosh, bro. Blood actually 200 pumped me. That's crazy. He's good.
Round starting.
Oh god. Not the AK spamming. He's the worst freaking history. Oh, let's go. How did I just hit that? my god, I'm actually crazy.
Teammate, I got 90 on him. Got 90 on him before I got done with him.
Here's one. Don't! Yeah, of course I'm not carrying.
Round starting.
My life flashed before my eyes, but I don't have anything like going up. Oh, he was not low at all. I just hit him like 197 or something. Wait, I actually have skills? I'm leveling.
Round starting.
I have to put the cowbell back on. My gosh, I actually just hit the ground with my bullet. Yo, screaming. Oh, let's go. I hit 120 and exactly the 80 that I needed, bro. Sure. Yes, officially level 4.
Round starting.
No, I needed that. What does it do? Make sure y'all can sub in this video. But let's get into the other vid. What am I saying?
Bro, please just leave
This thing and
this.
okay, I want another gun. I don't want another.
No,
No. Yeah, loud.
Let the camera look.
Stop.
What? Where are you on?
What?
Hey, what? Hey, just keep
Teammate, where are you? Now hold up.
Sniper katana only.
Why are you talking about booty cheeks?
Sniper katana only.
There's another
Sniper katana only.
Okay, what is this?
No.
No! The same thing is happening every single time. Okay, let's get a long range in there.
Oh damn, they even realize this.
We gonna.
Fist bump.
Okay, I don't think that was a fist bump. We went like, so my hand was right here. He went like,
Match starting.
Yay, we got this.
bro, my voice is like gone. Like, can y'all even hear me?
Round starting.
Hold up, y'all can barely hear me. My gosh, what was I screaming today? I don't.
Oh damn. I should not have advanced that much.
Teammate. Alright, bro. What is teammate?
I have learned my lesson and I'm gonna stay back.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. My
Round
voice
starting.
is gone, bro, on everything.
But fair. Mine is kind of as well.
So it's hard to like. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. literally no mucus. How is this good?
19.
Dead. You got him? Dead.
Right here. 80. 20. Oh, they're not dead at
I
all.
thought he was dead. I thought
Oh, he's a
White
spammer.
died. I thought White died. Holy shit. White died.
White's a spammer. As well.
Round starting.
They're coming over here.
Gosh, bro, the ball is so slow.
Oh my god, that grenade.
Like I'm hitting them right by them. She has it too.
One dead.
Okay, good.
Oh my god, this spammer. This spammer.
Oh my gosh, bro. I'm
think
reloading
he's that low.
everything but my shirt. I'm just crazy.
Nice. Pull your one shot.
Yeah, I'm good like
Oh my
that.
goddamn.
Oh, except for my voice isn't good like that. Shiny has it too.
Round starting.
I hate how slow it goes. Like, make it go fast. 100 on him. 100 HP. Yeah, they're both.
One dead. It's like one dead. Yay.
Yeah, because I. What? I can't even laugh.
Holy.
I can't even laugh.
Round
What am I
starting.
yelling? Like, what?
Mm.
Let's go. I'm actually in.
Dang. Couldn't do nothing. I was reloading. Nice.
Let's go. I got whatever. What was it? Shady has it too. Max and Gun too.
Come here.
Shady has it too. Oh, holy one tap. He's so one tap, bro. I hit him 175. Oh,
White is extremely annoying. They're a giant spammer. and they
for
keep
real,
telling me
bro. He
round
keeps
started.
Uzi spamming you. White does. It's kind of annoying.
How the hell is that?
Watch out, grenades. Nades. Yeah, I'll just stay right here too. 100 on White.
Nice.
One Russian. 30 on him. I hit 30 on him.
Dang.
She has it too. And, oh my gosh. My voice is literally going.
Round starting.
You honestly might be cooked here, but I don't truly know.
Watch out, nades. I'm getting sprayed right here.
How did he hit me? One dead.
Yes, teammate.
86.
Why not just hit it? Oh, flip up.
Dead.
Oh, my teammate is literally 1 HP. Holy clutch. Bro, my voice is gone. Can you, like, hear me at all? Like,
Round
My
starting.
voice sounds. My voice is like completely destroyed.
I'm making a YouTube video, so. No, me.
I don't know if they're over here.
They're on the other side. Or they're still at their spawn.
They're at the other side.
They are. Warning shot. Man, warning. Okay. Oh god.
19 on white. 19 on white again.
Good. No, why did I just push? Why did I just push? 3, 2, 1, push, 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 rush, rush them, rush them.
They're on. Oh, alright. He's almost dead. He's almost dead.
Oh, I just hit him 30. I hit him 30. Oh.
GG's. GG's.
Anyways,
GG's.
that's it for today, guys.
GG's.
I'm out. Insert buddy, see, make sure y'all like and sub. I'm out.